Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to create land use land cover map, and it is going to be a full one. I mean, from the composite banding stage to clipping stage to the creation of land use land cover map to the design stage. Yes, so whether you are here to learn how to design a map or you are here to learn how to do composite banding, clipping, how to pick samples, and how to do the 3 type of classifications, everyone is going to get their own share. Yes, so without wasting much time, let me go to the add data and add my data. So I have already downloaded the Landsat images from ArcGIS Explorer, so I am going to add them. So you go to add data. So assuming you've downloaded yours and you've saved it at the catalog, you go to add data, then you add them. Do you get it? Yes. So if you go to the catalog, this is it, February 2004, January 2014. Yes, I've already downloaded the data from ArcGIS Explorer. So assuming you've also downloaded yours, then it is at the catalog. That is how you add the data. Now the data is different ones, so we have to combine them to become one. So we are going to do composite banding, and we are going to use the search engine. So you select the search tool. If it's not here, you go to Windows, you see search over there. Then you search for composite band. So you see composite band data management. Normally a number of them will come, but you have to select this one, composite band data management. So you select that one. Let us wait for it. So it is here. Then you drag all of them whilst they are selected. If they are not selected, you can select them whilst your hand is on the control or the shift key. You can select all of them one after the other, then you drag them, or you can just click here, select them one after the other. Then you can specify where you want it to be saved. If you want it to be saved here, you can specify, then you just click OK. So assuming you want to classify where you want it to be saved, I already did some here, but I just select this. So you can create a folder, maybe composite, then in it, alright, maybe 2024. Okay, yeah, so it is done. The composite banding is done. So when it is done, you see a check mark over here. Then you can just select the remaining ones and remove them. So you select the first one, you come down, your hand on a shift key, then you select the last one, you right click, then you remove it. So we are left with only the composited one. So let's go to catalog. When we go to catalog, we are looking for the boundary of the Tafo municipality. So this is where the boundary is. The boundary is at this shape file. I'm looking for it. So there's the boundary of it. If you zoom in, you will see it over here. This is it. So I'm going to clip this one, this space, out of the whole dam. Do you get it? So after composite banding, the next thing that we will do is the clipping. Once again, you go to search, then you write clip data management. Then you select this one, then you select it, then you select the boundary at the second one. The first one is for the raster, which is the composite banded, then the second one is the boundary. Then you come here, make sure you check these two, make sure you check them so that it will be carved to look like your steady area boundary. When you are done, you can specify where you want it to be saved, then you click OK. It is clipping. When it is done, you see, check. So now that it is done, we can come here, then we uncheck the main one, uncheck this one, then we will zoom this one to layer. So now we get something like this. Have you seen it? So now we get something like this. Now that we've gotten something like this, we are coming to do our classification. So see something. So in land use land cover map, we use band combination. So if you look at this one, natural color is 432. The bands I downloaded is the Landsat images I downloaded was Landsat 8. So Landsat 8, you also have Landsat 9, which is the current one, and it also goes with this. So we have natural color, which is 432. So if you look at here, if you look here, you see that we have band 1, band 2, band 3. Do you get it? That is what the image is talking about. So natural color is 432, and remember we combined 7 bands. Do you get it? We combined 7 bands. So the second one is if you want to see force color, which is urban area. If you want to do classification for urban area, you will come here, then you select this first one, 7, as it is saying over there, 764. Do you get it? 764. So the first one is 7, the second one is 6, the third one is 4. So when it happens like that, you see that all these areas are urban. It has revealed itself. Then you do the classification. Do you get it? The next one, you can also look at land or water, 564. 564. So you come here, the first one is 5, the second one is 6. It's already 6. 564. Do you get it? 564. So you see that, oh, okay, so this is a water, this is water, this is water. So when you do the band combination, according to your classes or the type of class or classification you want to do, they will reveal themselves. Do you get it? Now we also have this. It will show you that we have Landsat 7 and 8. For Landsat 7, which is mostly the years before 2010. So for example, in this video, when we are doing the land use land cover map for 2005, we are going to use the band combination over here. Do you get it? So color infrared, which is vegetation. If you want to do vegetation analysis, we use 543. So you come here, then you use first one 5, already 5, the second one is 4, the third one is 3. Do you get it? So you see there are green sides over here. Do you get it? So these are the band combinations that we are going to use. But before that, we have classifications that we use the image classification toolbar to do the classification. So if yours is not there, you go to customize, then you go to toolbars, you will see image classification. Go back, customize, toolbars, image classification. You select it. So we have iterative supervised classification. You will come there, maximum likelihood, and ISO cluster unsupervised classification. These are the 3 we are going to use in this video. So if you want to use ISO cluster unsupervised classification, that is the easiest. You just tell the software that classify the image over there into 2 classes, 3 classes. Then after that, you are going to say that, okay, this particular color is lying on this one, on this particular land area, or on this particular land type. So it is urban, so it is vegetation. Do you get it? This is what I mean. But before you do the ISO cluster, you have to go to the natural color, which is 432. So let us go back to the natural color. The first one is 4, the second one is 3, the last one is 2. So when you have the natural color like this, it gives you the natural color, the natural feature of the area. So now you see that, okay, here is urban, the black, oh, okay, it can be water. Do you get it? It gives you the natural color of the area. Do you understand? Then maybe here will be. So if you are doing it, for example, I use land use land cover map. I did land use land cover map with image from Google Earth Pro. So that one, you just take the area image, and with that one, you see the image is very clear. The land area, you see that, oh, here is the vegetative area, here is the water, here is the urban area. Do you get it? And some of the Landsat images too, when you do the natural color, you see them very clear. And now it is showing very clear. Do you get it? We have the urban areas here. So when you have it like this, now I can see only vegetation and black over here. The black, I know the area, so it is water. Do you get it? So if you know the classes and you can see them very clear with the natural color, you go to classification, then you go to ISO cluster unsupervised, then you select the clip version, Number of classes, I want to classify it into 2. You can specify where you want it to be saved. Do you get it? Then you click OK. So with unsupervised classification, you need to know the area. Then you see that okay, I want to do 3 classes, 2 classes. Then you tell the software classify it into, let's say, 3, 2, 4. So when it is done like this, you just uncheck it. Oh, okay. So the black ones are here. I think it is on urban. Do you get it? Then you just change the color to maybe urban. Do you get it? Okay, what about the green one? The green one, let me see. Then maybe you give that one another color. But you can see that it is not accurate. It is not accurate. Here, red color is on here, but another red color is also passing here. Have you seen it? So there is some inconsistencies. Do you get it? But if you are watching this video and you try it with some places at your end, sometimes to the ISO cluster can be accurate. Do you get it? Yeah, it is the easiest version. It can be accurate. Sometimes too, it will not be accurate like this, and you will have to resort to the other versions that I am going to use. Are you getting me? Yes. So that is it. That is the ISO cluster on supervised classification. You just have to know the area. Okay, I want to do these classes. When you tell the software divide the image into these classes, then you just uncheck. This one is passing on here, so I think it is urban. Then you give it an urban color. This one is passing here, it is vegetation. You give it a vegetative color. But in our end, red is passing on urban over here, but it is also passing in the water lane. Are you getting it? So it is not accurate. So I just wanted to introduce that one to you. That is on supervised classification. So now let us go to the other type of classification, maximum and iterative. Before you do them, you have to come to the image classification toolbar. You see rectangle, draw, rectangle, polygon, rectangle, and circle. You have to pick samples first. Do you get it? And in my case, I want to pick samples for developed area, which is urban, bare land, vegetation, and to some extent water. Do you get it? So let me start with urban. So with the urban, if you look at the band combination, it is saying that it is 764. So I'll go back, then I'll come here, then I'll select first one 764. So now we have this color urban. So when you select your version, maybe circle, you select that one, then you pick samples. So I am picking samples. Have you seen that? Sometimes you can zoom in. You can zoom in to pick the samples. You make sure you select it from most parts of the area for accuracy purpose. Have you seen it? So that's how you pick the sample. So you might be doing land cover map for the whole of maybe Ashanti region, Eastern region. The area is very big. You have to take your time to pick the samples. Do you get it? So I've picked one at this end, pick one over here, pick one over here. When you are done, then you come here, training sample manager. Then you select the first one. You come to the last one. Sometimes you get a lot. Then you select all of them. Whilst your hand is on shift, you group them with this. Then you name it, let's say developed area. Have you gotten it? Yes. Now let us do vegetation. With vegetation, it is 543, as we saw from here. 543. So you come here, 5, 4, 3. So now we see the red area. These are vegetation area, right? So you come here, you select a red sample here, you select another red sample here, another red sample, another red sample, another red sample. Let's go to the top. Another red sample, another red sample, another red sample, another red sample. When you are done, you select all of them, Control A. This is developed, so Control, you select. You'll be left with these. Do you get it? Then you group them. vegetation. The next one, let's say we want to do land water, 564. 564. 564. Have you seen it? So let us see. Are we seeing some bare lands over here? Maybe we can see some bare lands over here. Normally, the moment you do the band combination, you see that there's a new set of colors over there, and that will indicate that yes, this is the particular type of land use I want, or I need, or I am looking for. So I selected this. Control or A. You select control left with this. Bare land. We would have tried water, but the vegetation combination has combined the water area. You see there's water, there's another water. When we did the land, you see water. So we can't do water because there is vegetation over here, but it has covered the water log area, so we have to leave it like that. So now let us maintain these three colors. When you are done, when you come here, you see that initially the iterative supervised was not highlighted. Now it has highlighted, so you can just select it after you are done picking the samples, and it is running. Normally when it runs, the iterative, it will go back to the whole area, so you have to redo the clipping. So like we did the clipping, do you get so you have to redo the clipping. You just go there, you redo the clipping. Normally too, you won't do that, and that one I think you will be very lucky. So you go there, then you redo the clipping very fast. So now let us remove the first one. So we are having this. So now we have the developed area. So you choose a developed area color for it, red. You have vegetation over here. Let's say fair green. And I think we have the bare land. That one, let's give it this color. Have you seen it? Now let us try the maximum likelihood. This is it. Before you use the maximum likelihood, you have to come here and you save a signature. The samples you've selected, save them as a signature. So you can create signature. Then you move to the folder you are working with. We are working with the Tafo municipalities folder. So I have to locate it. So signature 2024. Then you save the signature. After you save the signature, that is when you will be able to do the maximum likelihood. So you come here, maximum likelihood, then you select the clip version. No, this is the clip version. This is the one that we actually, yes, this is it. No, this is it. Always know the layer you are working with. So this is it, 2024 clip. These are the classification we just did, so we don't need that one. So we need the actual Landsat clip image we are working with. So you select that one. Input signature. Once again, you have to locate the folder you save the signature in it. This is it. Then select it. Then you can specify where you want it to be saved. Uses the same folder. With 2024. No. let us finish doing it. After that we can export it. So that one too is done. But one thing with the maximum likelihood is that it won't give you the names as the interactive supervised. So you have to know that, okay, so the first classification I did was developed area, the second one was vegetation, and the third one was bare land. You have to have that in mind so that you can change the colors and do a create classification. Do you get it? And so the first one is for developed area, you know it over here. The second one is vegetation. Do you understand? The last one is what? Bare land. So let us compare the two. When you are done, then you can clear it. You can clear them. So now let us compare the two. Maximum likelihood, and it seems the maximum likelihood has a lot of bare lands. So per my experience, the maximum likelihood is more accurate than the interactive, and the interactive is more accurate than the ISO cluster unsupervised classification. Do you get it? The interactive, you don't need to save any signature, pass through, locating of folders and those stuffs. You just, after picking the samples, just click on it, it will do the classification for you. Do you get it? But so for here, I'll just select I'll choose the maximum likelihood because I am dealing with different years. I am done with the 2024, so I would have to export this. So right click, export data, then I'll come here, then I'll locate the folder. So we are working with Tafo municipality. I'll select it, add, then I'll name this one 2024. Do ask me this, I'll say no. When I go to the catalog and select the Tafo municipality, you see that it will be in there. Refresh. This is it. Have you seen it? So let us bear in mind that the first one is developed area, the second one is vegetation, the third one is what? Bare land. Let us bear that in mind. Yes. So now we are going to repeat the same process for 2014. Do you get it? So let me remove this one. I have exported it. Let me remove all of them so that it will be left. Okay, let me remove this one too. I'm done with 2024. Do you get it? So I'll come to 2014, add data. 2014. Band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to repeat the same process. Let's go. So it is done. Have you seen it? So we have the composite one. This is it. So you select the remaining ones, then remove them. Now let us bring the Tafo boundary and do the clipping. The clipping is done. So now the first one is vegetation. Vegetation, the band combination is what? No, sorry, urban. 764. So you will have 764. Vegetation is 543. Bare land is 564. So we come here, 5 is already here, then we select the 6, then we select the 4. I think we can see some bare lands here. This whitish color, this whitish color. So right away we are going to choose the save the signature. So we come here, so this is 2014. If you are trying, you can still choose the interactive supervised throughout. So for this second one, I chose the maximum. So the first one is this. So now let us export it. Tafo municipality is already selected. So now we are going to do that of 2004, but see something. Let me remove them. Let me first see and confirm that the 2014 on has been added. It is here. So now I can remove this one. Remove. Let's go to 2004 and let me show you something. If you drag an image of 2004, you see that there are some scan lines over here. You see some scan lines. Yeah. Let's go to add data and see this 2004. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, let's add only this. You see that it is full of scan lines. Have you seen it? Full of scan lines. This is Landsat 7, and mostly that is what you will experience. Yes, so you can watch this video. In this video, I show you how you can address this, a scan line of Landsat 7. And sometimes you find it difficult to get Landsat 7 nowadays on the USGS Explorer. This video will teach you the secret trick to download Landsat 7 on that website. So now, this is the 2004 one, but we are experiencing this scan line. But I have already done that. I have addressed this scan line through the video I recommended. So now let us go for that one, the addressed one. So let me remove them. So this is where that particular one is. You see? So I have addressed that one. So I'll go here, add data, and I'll locate that folder that it is located in. Yes. This is it. Have you seen it? I have addressed the scan line. When you watch the video, it will teach you how you can do that. So now let us repeat. Yeah, so now it is done. So we are going to do the clipping again, but before that, let me remove it. So this is Landsat 7. Landsat 7, as I showed you earlier on, it is saying that the vegetation, which is colored infrared, is 432. Do you get it? And natural color is rather 321. And forced color is 54. Then we have this one too. Do you get it? So we are going to do only the vegetation. So let us go to the natural color and see something. 3, 2, then we have 1. So we have this. Have you seen it? So we have this. Yeah, so band combination for bare land, Landsat 7. So it is saying that band 7 has separated land sharply. Band 7 is strong. So Landsat 5 and 7. So it is writing something like this. Let us go through. So we can even ask this copilot, sorry. So for bare land mapping with Landsat 7, most effectively combination band 7 is 7, 5 and 3. 7, 5 and 3. That is what Copilot is saying. So we come here, you get the 7, 5 and 3. Let us ask Copilot about that of developed area or urban. Copilot is saying that one for developed or urban area using Landsat 7, the most effective band combination is 742. Do you get it? So let us start with 742. 7, 4, 2. Let's see if we can find the 742 over here. 742. We couldn't find it here. So now you see we've seen them sharply. So let us do it. Select, 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 select. Thank you, Copilot. Then I'll come here. We already know the vegetation, which is 432. So we have 4, 3, 2. What did Copilot say bare land is? Let us go back. Copilot said that the bare land is 753. 753. So we will come here and do, no, there's no 8. They're saying 7, 5, 3. So now the first one is developed area. The second one is vegetation as well. The third one is bare land. Have you seen that? Yes. So let me export that one too. So let's go there and see. Okay, 2004 is here. So I'll have to go, I won't save the word, so I'll just go to new map document. Then I'll switch to the layout view. I don't want this type of document, so I'll go to page and print setup, file, page and print setup. Then I'll uncheck this. Then I'll choose A1. Then I will choose landscape. Then I'll check this one. Do you get it? Let me use this to shift it to this side. Select this, bring this one here. Then I'll drag the 2004 part. Insert another data frame. (2014). Can even do it like this. insert another one, 2024. So then I'll use the draw tool. This is the draw tool. I'll use the draw tool, toolbar. This is it, customize, toolbars, draw tool. That is it. I've placed it here. I'll come here, then I'll write 2004. Then I'll choose this font size, Garamond. Then I'll increase the font size to 72, then place it here. Then I'll bold in it. Then I'll copy it, paste it, bring it here, reselect it, 2014. Paste it again, drag it here, 2024. Then you see this grid line, grid line. No, that one is this one, the rulers. That one is the rulers, and the view rulers. That's it. So when you select it like this, okay. When you select it, you see the grid lines, so that it will make the map aligned. Then you touch it with it. So we have that one. So the scale is over here. Let's zoom in a bit. 1 is to this 2,500 or 12,500. Let's do it. 1 is to 13,000. Is it okay? 1 is to 13,500. The same for this one too. 1 is to 13,500. This one too, the same. 1 is to 13,500. So now let us do the colors. The first one is vegetation. The first one is vegetation. Second one, no, the first one is developed, sorry. Second one is vegetation. Third one is Bearland. Same applies to 2014. Developed, vegetation, Bearland. Developed, vegetation, Bearland. So now this is what we have. Have you seen the patterns and the changes? Yes. So that is it. You can even bring a grid line over here. Bring it on top of this. Then you push this one up. You push this one up. You push this one up. So that they will be aligned. Yes. When you are done like that, let us insert let us insert the north arrow. So you go to insert north arrow, you select your preferred one, you can place it here. Copy as usual, then you paste it, then you drag it here. Another one, then you drag it here. Have you seen it? So let us bring the years here. Left with scale, right? The scale is the same. So you go to scale bar, choose your preferred scale, properties. You bring this one to 2 instead of miles, kilometers. If you can read miles too, you can leave yours at miles, km. Then you bring it here. Then you copy as usual. See your trick, you paste it here, then you drag it here. Have you seen it? Yes. Left with legend, right? So the legend, you can come here with the first one. When you hover the mouse pointer on it like that, it will allow you. Then you write So now let us insert that one for all of them. Insert, legend, next, center, which is your preferred font style. So you can place that one here. So properties, then you go to the border, then you choose your preferred border line. As usual, copy, bring it here. We can also move this one to the side. So we have this, do you get it? So you go to file, then you go to export, then after that you can just land use land cover. Careful. Let me reduce this one to just 100, the resolution, and I want JPEG. Now just save it. Let me see. So this is what we have now. Have you seen it? Yes. So this is our land use land cover map for Tafo municipality for the years 2024, 2014, 2024. Do you get it? So we can even give it a borderline. You go to insert, knit line, place within 3. You have this. Let me give this one to a clearer borderline. Properties 2.0. Another one, properties 2.0. Great. Let us re-export it. Now let us go and see what we have for now. Have you seen it? Yes. So this is how we prepare land use land cover map. It has been a great journey, and if you've been following the video up to this level, I hope you've enjoyed something. And if that is the case, then kindly help me with a subscription. Please kindly help me with a subscription, because my account is not growing at all. I don't know, I'm really struggling to grow. So kindly help me. Kindly help me. I am begging you. Kindly help me. Subscribe to the channel so that I can grow, and you can like this so that the video can get to others to also watch, and you can share it to a friend. Yes. I would like to see you in the next video. Bye bye.